Can M&Ms be part of quality control? Coming up. Hi, I'm Rafael, and this is Codercave. If you're interested in coding, consider subscribing to the channel. Back in the 80s, the rock band Van Halen had a very weird demand amongst their huge list of requirements for the concerts. They wanted that in the dressing room there would be a bowl with M&Ms inside. But they didn't want to have any brown M&M, like this one. Even worse, the clause went like, if there are brown M&Ms in the bowl, we keep the money and we don't perform the concert. Why is that? Now imagine you are organizing the concert. You spend hundreds of thousands of dollars, spend a huge amount of time in PR, selling the tickets, organizing the whole place, fitting everything, and then you leave some brown M&Ms and everything is for nothing. Well, the reason is that the rock band Van Halen had a huge production for their concerts. And there were many things that could go wrong, and if they were to go wrong, they could cause danger to the performers, danger to the audience, danger to people around. So they wanted to make sure that the promoters would read the contract and really take care of every single line item. But they also needed a way to quickly test whether the promoter had taken care of those items or not. So they devised the brown M&M test. So they were quickly checking the bowl of M&Ms, and if brown M&Ms were found, that was a signal that other things were not up to specs. So, can we apply the same concept to software development? Well, yes and no. No, because we have more powerful tools nowadays. We can create a very nice set of automated tests that give us very good confidence that the software that we are about to deploy is complying with all the requirements we have. But we can test our colleagues. Let's say that you have a big pull request and you want to make sure that your team is actually reviewing your code. You can throw some weird comment or a typo in your code pull request, and once your colleagues start reviewing your code, you can check how many people caught that weird line of code. With that, you will know that your team is taking care of pull requests. And if someone catches your brown M&M, you can give them a thumb up, call them out, and yeah, definitely you can get mad at your team if they don't catch that. Now, back to the Van Halen. Did they ever cancel a concert because of that? Well, yes, it did happen. It happened that the promoter didn't read the contract, they didn't care about the weight of the stage, and that stage sunk into the surface of the place where they were going to perform, causing a huge amount of damage. So, a simple test saved a lot of trouble for the band. It's as good as the other ones. If you haven't done it yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss my new technical videos.